The box came with a new bit. So let's get that guy on. It came with mounting hardware. So let's see how we do. Whoop. Okay. Well, that was easy. So your reach, obviously take your gun out. Get your keys, take the slide off, and remove the whole unit from the mount. All right, so I've got my mount for my reach. I've decided that I need to mount it this way. So I'm going to take these screws and just start them off here. It comes with an enclosed Allen wrench. Put them in the top two and just start them off to make it a little easier. So then when you come, now you use the Allen wrench to mount them in here. See how that goes. All right, that feels super, super secure. All right, let's give it a shot. My reach is super, super secure. Now, let's see. All right.